Okay, at the screen, there is the code for the difference on the address register and the data register command. Alright? The first one is playing with the address register, and the second one you are playing with the data register. It's a common code for the move, but the difference will be on the address to address, data register to data register. Alright? If you can see that, here is the one that I just want to move something, a number. But over here, when you look at the code over here, to move an address registered values from the address register to another address register, if the final destination of the movement is the address register, your command must be move A, move address. But if the final destination is not address register, or for this example is a data register, so your command only need to just move. Alright? Now, when you play around these two code, you can see that there is a difference. Even though both syntax is using .w. .w means only 16, correct? 16 bit. But you get the first answer for the move address.w, A0 to A2. Your final answer A2 is what? 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 8, 0, 0, correct? It changed the whole 32 bits. Whereas, when you change for the data register only, move.w, it does not erase everything. It just erases only the 16 bit. Correct or not? Because of what? Because of every time you move address.w to something else, only for the register for the address, it will go through the sign extend rules. Remember that? Sign extend rules. Sign extend rules say that if the MSB is 0, means the total whole front will be 0. If the MSB is 1, the whole one will be 1, or FFFF. That's the mean for the 16 baseline. For example, you can change this one from 6 to 8. Look at the answers. Okay, you change this one 0, 0, 0, 8, 8, 0, 0. Then look at the answer. What is your answer? What's your answer? Change 6 to 8. Very simple. And then compile it. Look at the answer here. Why? What's the reason? Yeah, what's the reason? Okay, if you change this one to 8, so majority of you get the same answer with me. So if I change this one to 8, if I change this one to 8 for data register, alright, let's compile it, continue, and then look at the answer for the registers that we have over here. Run one line by line, this is the first one. Move the data to A0. A0 is containing all the data from here. Then move the next one. A2 contains all the data from here. Next, move .log, another one, to data register. D0, I'm expecting here to be filled out. Correct? Next one, I'm expecting D2 to be filled out. So now is the command that you are going to learn. Move address.w A0 to A2. Move A0 to A2. W only 4 digits. Right? 4 digits. 4 digits from A0 is 8800. Because of the answer must be put at address register, then the set extend rule will happen. Because of 8 MSB, most significant bit is 1, so means the whole at the front will be always 1. I'm putting here, this is all 16 number 1. F is equivalent to 1, 1, 1, 1. 1F. 1, 1, 1, 1 is F. Okay, let's look at the D0, D2. So the answer will be only replaced on the W sections only. It does not need the set extend rules because that is the data register. Data register doesn't care. The data is data. Address register you need to care because your pin is only 24. You need to require another 8 numbers. Okay? This is the original one. The original is all 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? D2 original is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, correct? That one is not FFFF. The whole thing is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You change only the 4 last digit. Okay? Okay, let's move. You have to complete majority. Now, move A.log. Let's try this one. Move A.log. D5 to A6. Let's try. D5 is this one. 001767. From the same code, you just need to change to D5. So this one can be D5. You can take the number 001767. 00127 657 will pass in D5. A6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do this one. A6 dollar sign 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The command is move A.long D5 to A6. Move A.long D5 to A6. This one, move it out. This is the command. That is the question just now. This is the command. You need to see the difference. Now, still the destination of this move command is the address register, address number 6. So if address, the command still move A.log. The command must be move address. .log D5 to A6. Without looking at your simulator, you can think now what is going to be happen on your final A6 destination. So, is it correct that what do you think from your CPU head versus the PC? What do you think from your A6? What's the result? Now it's move address.long. Long means the whole number. Ada error tak? Ada error? Tak ada? Ada error? Warning saja.
Wangi je.
Okay, dapat? Agree? Sama kepala, CPU kata you faham tadi, CPU kata betul, saya harus betul. Alright, okay? Let's move. Tidak ada masalah. So, kalau you change W, what happen? Change W. Move address.w. What do you expect from the A6 answer? My thinking will be B5 is 7657. So my A6 will be 00007657. It will erase the whole thing, right? It will erase and only leave you sign extend. Can we move on? Okay? A lot of people will confuse sign extend. But if you understand this, it's very simple. Okay, let's move. So this is the answer, correct, from the slide. Now you see, this is another new command for you. Still the final answer is address register, correct? The destination is address number 5. But now the data is coming from the memory location. You see the command here. Move address.long, because address is basically address. Address is actually the final destination address register. Okay. $1,000 means, okay, look at here. $1,000, there is no hash anymore, right? There's no hash anymore. I don't put hash. So that is not an absolute number. So what does it mean? Without hash, that one is pointing to the memory location address number 1000. Okay, so what does it mean? If you run execute, now you have to view your memory. Okay, now we try to write this code first. The code will be like this. Define constant dot long $sign A5 B Define constant means you put a number. Define constant not long. And then move that long, you put this whole number to A5. Now, this command say that you have to go to the memory location at 1000, grab the data for long words, and then put back to A5. Without hash means that you have to go to the memory location, address is 1000. From that 1000, you have to grab long data, which is 32-bit, grab the whole 32-bit, put inside A5. So, right now, if you run this one, go to your view memory, type location number 1000. Again, run that one, view the memory, run this one, view the memory, type 1000. This is your memory, your memory outside there. So at a particular area 1000, there is a data. At 1000 is 00. At 1001 is 00. At 1002 is 8A. 1003 is BC. 1004 is 2A. So this is the command that I define constant.long and I put this data at that memory. 2A, 7C, 67, blah 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 blah. All this one is the machine code for the move address that particular code. When you compile that one, there's a machine code. That is the machine code. Okay. So now the command asks you to go to 1000 memory location, grab the 32-bit data. The data will be 00, 00, 8A, BC. That is the whole 32-bit. Then you transfer those all 32-bit to the A5. Correct or not just now? So, here, D0 you don't care. So move along A5. A5 here, A5. A5 now ialah 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Alright, your location number 1000. Location number 1000 is 00, 00, 8A, BC. So if I run this one, actually is correct. Move address.long from this location, go to A5. So 0, 0, 0, 8A, BC. There is no send extend rules because of dot long. Long tak perlu kan? Long take the whole thing kan? Let's try W. I have to test W. But if W, you want to try W, you have to start at the location number 3. 01, sorry, number 2. 1002 location. If you move address.w, right, still have to go through the send extend rules. But my location right now I changed to 1002. Kenapa? Because at 1000 there's no data. It's 00, 00. 1001, 1002 is there's no data. Here you can see it from your memory. nothing, this is nothing. But at 1002 we have 8ABC. So that's why I point to 1002. If I still point at 1000, you get all zero, nothing. Nanti you confused, there's a nothing. Because of the sign external says zero, everything is zero. So if I start from 102, I will start from 8ABC. That's W words, right? 8ABC is 4 digits. 8 MSB is 1. So they put at 8ABC, the whole one is FFFF. Okay? Alright? So without hash, that's the thing. Without hash is pointing to memory. We move on. Now just try by using your head only. Add still, because of the final register is A2, is address register, you have to put add A. Add tak perlu, there's no add for the sign extend rules. Sign extend rules only move. For add, you just add, tak ada masalah, there's no problem. Okay, so if you add A0, A2, given A0 is this one, A2 is this one, add address.w. Address, because the final destination is address, you have to put add address. So add word, only the last 4 digit, tambah this one pakai calculator, 6800 plus 2111, the final answer will be placed over here. There's no sign extend rules because of the operation is add, bukan move. Okay, next one ialah clear.w, very simple. Clear is 208. W, words A3, words 4 digits only, right? So just clear the last 4 digit, correct? Correct. Clear saja. Okay, next. Try this one very fast by using your head. In exam, in test, there will be no busy. Cepat, I give you 5 minutes. Dalam kepala je boleh buat benda ni. Try what? Cepat, 5 minit, There's no address required. This is not address. This is the contents of the data register directly. The one that without hash and the coding is different. We have to put hash. Yes, but this one is direct. I give you the value. This is the value of this zero. So you have to understand this. That is not a location. That is a data. Tak. Jelas, ada jawapan dah. Okay. Let's try. I don't want to try using PC. I don't want. I want to think myself. Okay, given D0 is this value. I don't put hash because I give you the number. Hash is normally done in the PC. In the software coding, I have to put it because if I don't put it, it will refer to the particular location. But this one I direct give to you. The contents of D0, that is the hex number. The content is this one. The content is this one. Now, this is contents for D0 and D1 after move.py. D0 and D1, what is the values for D0?